deluxe candle bar. Today I will be making a strawberry cheesecake fragrance candle, and the treat is I will be adding sprinkles to the inside of my jar. So right now I'm just showing you all of the materials that I will be using to make my candle. And before I get into the video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button so when I do upload videos like these, you will be notified. Also, please share with your family and friends. Now let's get into the video. So I am adding corn syrup to the inside of my candle jar, and this will help the sprinkles stick to the inside of the jar. You want to make sure you get the corn syrup all the way around the jar so that your sprinkles will adhere to the whole jar. I made 3 candles like this one. This is my strawberry cheesecake fragrance candle. I made a Lemon Delight fragrance candle, and I also made a cupcake fragrance candle. And like I said, these are going to be in my Valentine collection, and it will launch on Monday, which is Martin Luther King Day, Monday, January 15th. So go check me out and pre-order your candles. These candles will come with heart-shaped shower steamers, and the scent is rosemary with menthol. These candles are to be pre-order, and once I receive your order, I will make your candle package and will send it off, and you should have it before or by Valentine's Day. So here I am adding my Valentine sprinkles, and I am turning the jar or spinning the jar around to make sure that all of my sprinkles are sticking to the inside of my candle jar. And you might see me turn the candle jar upside down because I'm just making sure there's no loose sprinkles in my jar. And I'm just gonna add some music while I'll do this. I am using my hot glue gun to add the glue to the bottom of my wick. This will help the wick to stick better at the bottom of my jar here. And I did have some sprinkles in the way, so I was like moving them out the way so I can stick my wick in there. And I add pressure to make sure that wick will not move. So this is how it looks. So now I am preparing to add my color. I am using bright pink. And you gotta make sure that your wax is at least at 195 Fahrenheit, because if it's below 180, the color chip will not melt into your wax. So I got the color that I was looking for, and now I'm preparing to add my fragrance oil, and my wax is at 185 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to stir my fragrance oil into my wax for about 2 minutes. I know that didn't like it was 2 minutes, but I wasn't going to show you guys stirring this wax at 2 minutes. But now I am pouring my wax into my vessel jar. And I'm going to add my wick holder. And I'm going to allow my wax to solidify. And once that is completed, I am going to add my icing to the top of my candle. I've already let my wax kind of like get solid. I stirred it till it got at a creamy consistency. And now I am going to bag my wax into my piping bag here. So I'm just gonna add like little stars on top of my candle. I'm not good at doing swirls. I don't know why, but I can't do it. But I'm better at making little stars on top of the candle, and it looks nice, very nice. I'm just making sure I get all of that whipped wax out of my piping bag here. And this candle smells delicious. And this is how it looked at the top. So I'm gonna add my label, or actually I'm gonna add my embeds first. And my embeds are hearts. I'm also going to add some sprinkles to the top of my candle. And I did add some silver glitter. I'm gonna make sure I clean my jar off with some alcohol. I use 99.9% alcohol, and this is what I'm doing now, spraying my paper towel down, and I am wiping any excess wax or fragrance oil off my candle jar. So now I'm going to add my label. And this is how it looks. I'm cutting my wick, and I'm gonna go get a warning label to put at the bottom of my candle. Isn't that gorgeous? And here's my warning label. Smack that right on the bottom of my candle. And there we go, voila. And here are the other two candles that I made. One is Lemon Delight, and the other one is Cupcake. And that is it. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.